Jasmine. So today is day 4 of my Colourpop series. Now today I am going to be using the I Think I Love You palette, and honestly she's not my most loved, but I made today work and I'm so happy for this look. Let me get a little close up here just so you guys can see all of that action, like so editorial, like so shimmery yet so smoky. I love it. I love playing with nudes as always, you know, favorite tones. So I hope you guys all enjoy the video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I already have my base on, kind of how I had, you know, my first 2 days of my Colourpop series. I just thought it would be a little easier since yesterday's video was super long. So I kind of wanted to make this one a medium length video, maybe around like 15 minutes if possible. That's kind of where I like to be. Now I do want to try something different. I hope I can do it. I've never done it before, so I'm excited to go ahead and try it. Now today's palette of choice is the I Think I Love You palette. Now this is the epitome of neutrals. I had a comment on my Yes Please palette video and they said that they thought that palette was neutral. No, this palette, this one is the neutral palette. That and Double Entendre, but I don't have that palette. I really want it, but I do have this one. So this consists of 4 different mattes. These 3 and this one right here. The rest are shimmers. I don't reach for this palette. This actually is my least used palette. So today I kind of want to do a smoked out liner look. I don't know how that's going to go. I don't really have tape with me, so it's going to be that much harder to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the only cream shade in the palette that is matte, and I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelid with this shade. This is just a base for the other shadows to lay on top of. So I have been using my Sigma brushes for the past 3 videos. I'm going to switch it up to my ShopMissA brushes because now those are dirty. Now I'm going to take one of the blending brushes from the All About Eyes set. This is actually one of my favorite sets from ShopMissA. I'm going to take the lightest transition shade up here, and as you guessed, I am going to go ahead and pop this into my crease a little higher than my natural crease because this is going to be the transition shade. I'm only going to add a very little bit and try and smoke this out as much as I can. So you want to work in windshield wiper motions, and you also want to work in circular motions as well to really blend everything together. As you can see, it is such a light wash. It just adds the right amount of shadows to the eyes. It's perfect if you do just like something very natural. It's a little bit more natural, I would say, than the You Had Me at Hello. I feel like that palette is a little bit more warm. This one definitely is geared towards those people who really like to stay neutral and cool. I feel like this almost leans a little cool as well. I don't believe I've really used this shade in the bottom corner. It is a bronzy, cool tone bronze shade. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, and this is going to be pretty much like the only bold shade that I am going to have on my eyelid. And I am going to just pat it, and when I get towards that transition color, I am just going to go in like that motion, just so it can blend upward. I'm curious, do you guys ever do smoked out liner? I feel like that's like the new trend at the moment. I've never really done it. I've tried to multiple times on my channel and it's always turned out so bad. But I'm hoping that with a lot of patience that I can actually achieve it today. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do my winged eyeliner, and I'm going to do this with a liquid eyeliner because I want the base to be down. I want to know what shape I'm working with. So I'm just going to take my Joah I'm So Fly liner just so I could do my wing. I made it small just in case we get a little crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye. I'm going to take my Sigma E20 brush, and instead of using this on my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take the dark brown that's in the corner of the palette, and I'm going to go ahead and try and smoke out the black eyeliner. I know it's not going to be like super smoked out as if I applied, you know, a gel liner or anything like that. I just want the essence of a lash line being smoked out. Alright, so I'm actually thinking about going in with a pencil liner. Just real rough. This one is by Real Her. She's called I Am Amazing. And before she fully sets on the eye, we're going to go ahead with that brown again. And we're going to go a little heavy-handed with this one. And really try and blend that shade up. This method is working way better than I thought. Now I'm going to take the eyeliner, run it towards the outer corner, working in sections. And very thinly we are going to go ahead and line. And then before that dries, smoke it out again. There's just a lot of, you know, back and forth, which, I mean, it is tedious. I would not probably do this like on an everyday basis, but I understand why people do it because it's actually looking pretty good so far. This is probably the best smoked out liner I've ever done in my life. Now I don't want to continue smoking this out because I feel like it's going to go out of hand real quick. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take my brush that I had my powder on. I'm going to dust away the fallout because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sharpen up the wing with some concealer. This is the Colourpop No Filter in Light 18. And I'm just going to go ahead and dot just a little bit like that. And ever so gently you want to just sharpen it up. Mind you, I was so concentrated to do it right today, and I'm so happy that it looks this good because you guys, oh my god, you can literally backtrack on my YouTube channel and look at the videos where I tried to do this and it did not work. So they're not like completely even, but again, I don't want to touch it because, you know, you never know. Okay, so you guys know that I love doing brown liner on the bottom, and naturally I would do that, but today we're gonna do something so different. So I'm gonna take that eyeliner again, the one from Real Her, and I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my upper waterline and my lower waterline, and it's gonna be real dark and real intense. Oh my god, when I was in high school, I loved black liner on my lower waterline. I thought it made me look so good. I mean, there were pictures and I was like, damn, Jasmine, you really did the damn thing. But then there was some days where I'm like, ugh. All right, so we are gonna go into the Sigma E32, my favorite brush for my lower lash line. Gonna take that dark brown and we are gonna go ahead and start smoking out the lower lash line. We are going to start right where the lashes grow. Don't blend it out yet, just apply it. With that same brush, we are going to take the lighter brown and then blend it. Blend the edge. Now here is the fun part. We're going to go back with the E20. We're going to take the black. We're going to take the black. And we are going to go ahead and really smoke out the lower lash line. So you want to look up, squint, and really apply it right near the eyeliner. Don't blend it out yet, just apply. And without dusting anything off, we're going to go ahead and take that dark brown and blend. You're probably like, damn, your lower lash line is heavy. I agree, but we are gonna do some pretty dramatic lashes. But as always, you guys know I always like to prep my lashes with some mascara prior. So today I'm using my ShopMissA Fat Lash. If you're wondering why I'm using this so much, it's because I'm trying to use it up and I know she's almost done. I already picked what lashes I want to wear, but the glue is still drying. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the final touches to the eye look. Now I am going to take this gold right here and pop it into my inner corner. Then with this pink onto my brow bone, just so that it's not that bare. And because I already have like a whole shimmery eyelid, I kind of want it all to blend in with each other. For lashes, we're using ShopMissA Jackie. Just gonna go ahead and apply it. So these ones are a little bit more of a shorter lash. I didn't want to go anything like too dramatic. Okay, so now I want to do like a super nude lip. I'm probably gonna go to my favorite nude lip, which you guys haven't seen me use in a while. I use this more off camera than I do on camera. My MAC Naturally Transformed. If you're thinking about, Jasmine, what's your favorite nude lip? MAC Naturally Transform or the CoverGirl Cakewalk liquid lipstick. Those are kind of my top two at the moment. We're gonna go in with the I Am Confident lip liner by Real Her. And then with the lipstick, we are just gonna go ahead and apply it. The concealer trick, as always. Haven't used MAC Fix Plus in a while, so let's go ahead and use it. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this look is a little different, you know, a different type of nude look that I've never done on my channel before. It's so weird to me that I like this look because I'm never the type of person to go full on shimmer all over the eyelid. I'm personally not that girl. I never do smoked out eyeliner. I don't wear black on my lower waterline anymore. And honestly, this look is just so out of my comfort zone while still being in my comfort zone for some weird reason. I don't know. I'm kind of living. So I hope you guys all like this look. Thank you guys so much for all the love for this series. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scouts.